Hello friends, this is our third discussions on cell structure and its function. To the previous slides, we already had to discuss about the parts of the cell and its structure. So mitochondria is the next discussion part. Mitochondria are present in eukaryotes only. So mitochondria are self-replicating organelles that occur in various numbers, shape and sizes in the cytoplasm of all the eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria play a critical role in generating energy in the eukaryotic cell. So what we can conclude, mitochondria are the basically powerhouse of cells. What is endoplasmic reticulum? So while understanding this one, we should always remember that it has two basic types, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulums, where uh, these endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomes on its surface and secretes proteins into the cytoplasm. This is the property of your rough endoplasmic reticulum. And in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which lacks these surfaces where ribosomes are present. So this smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a very important role in calcium sequestration. So what is calcium sequestration? That is refers to the process of capturing and storing calcium ions within the cell or biological system. Endoplasmic reticulum structure is given in front of you, where you can see the ribosomes present in the endoplasmic reticulum, having a rough surface of ribosomes present on it. So it is looks like and rough, so that's why it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Vice versa, there isn't any presence of an ribosomes on smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so the surface looks like and smooth. So ribosomes is the next. The ribosome is a large complex of RNA and protein molecules. They each consist of two subunits and act as an assembly line where RNA from the nucleus is used to synthesize proteins from amino acid. Ribosomes can be found floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, forming rough endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes are considered to be as an factory of making proteins. So this is a general structure of an ribosome, where to the left hand side you can see the ribosome structures represented by the line. So these are freely floating in the cytoplasm and is responsible for formation of an protein part. So what is lysosomes and peroxisomes? Lysosomes and peroxisomes are present in eukaryotes only. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes, the acid hydrolases. Lysosomes are basically responsible for digesting and food. They digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. Peroxisomes have enzymes that rid the cell of an toxic peroxides. Very important statement is that. So lysosomes and peroxisomes, the structure of that. You can see the floating lysosomes in the cytoplasm. So next, this is the structure of your Golgi bodies or apparatuses. So what is the property of Golgi bodies? It stacks of an flattened sacks. So having a shipping side and receiving side. Receive and modify proteins made by the endoplasmic reticulum. Transport vesicles with modified proteins pinch of the ends. So you can see the transport vesicle of that. So it is responsible for basically shipping as well as receiving, and it is responsible for modifying and receiving the proteins made by the endoplasmic reticulum. In summary, you can basically see these are the property of that one. The vesicles, especially from the Golgi bodies, used to safely transport substances from one part of the cell to the another. So the basically this nucleus is responsible for containing genetic material in chromosomes, which control how cells grow and work, controlling the cell division. Cytoplasm is very essential and embedded all the cell organelles in it. Cell membrane basically responsible for holding all the cell organelles together, controls substances entering and leaving the cell, that is hydrophilic and lipophilic. Cell wall gives the cell extract support and defines its shape. So chloroplast is also having the same importance, having the site of photosynthesis, providing food for the plants. Vacuole containing the cell sap used for the storage of certain material. Also help support the shape of the cell. Mitochondria, site of an aerobic respiration, providing energy for the cell. Is special, that is for the plant cell. Okay, so ribosomes are basically site of an protein synthesis. Okay, and responsible for an protein production as well.